every time.
Uh-oh. You better come look. I think it's still alive.
Alrighty, what do we got here?
Hey! Look at him. He's so cute and all alone. Can we keep him? But he's so little.
He's gonna get bigger.
Maybe he'll be on our side.
That's the stupidest thing I ever heard. Maybe he'll be... Hey, I've got it. What if he's on our side? You know, having a... around might not be such a bad idea.
So we're keeping him?
Of course. Who's the brains in this outfit? My point exactly. Jeez, I'm fried. Let's get out of here and find some shade. You okay, kid?
I guess so.
You nearly died.
Thanks for your help.
Gee, he looks blue.
I'd say brownish gold.